Hello and welcome to today's video. This is based on unseen passage and here we will try to know how to solve unseen passage in our examination in the easiest shortest manner. हम अपनी परीक्षा में अनसीन पैसेज को सरलतम और जल्दी से कैसे सॉल्व करें, आज हम इस बात पर बात करेंगे। आपका हमारे चैनल नॉलेज डायरी पर स्वागत है। मैं आपका होस्ट आर के शर्मा आपके साथ इस पूरे वीडियो में बना रहूँगा। तो चलिए अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। परीक्षा में सबसे पहले हमारे सामने एक इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आता है जिसमें लिखा हुआ होता है, रीड द पैसेज and answer the questions that follow by selecting the most appropriate option. पैसेज देने के बाद में इसके नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए हैं जिनको आपको सेलेक्ट करना है। पैसेज को पढ़ते समय एक बात का ध्यान रखें कि आपको जो इम्पोर्टेंट नज़र आता है उसको आप अंडरलाइन करिए। सो गेट रेडी विद योर पेन एंड पेपर and let us start now. Here is your comprehension passage. तो आपके लिए मैं इसे पढ़ देता हूँ। Our consumption of palm oil is rocketing. Commitments from various governments to increase the amount of biofuels being sold are pushing this rise in demand because they are seen as an attractive quick fix to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. India wanted 20% of its diesel to be biodiesel by 2012. The irony is that these attempts to reduce the impact of climate change could actually make things worse, clearing forests and draining and burning peatlands to grow palm oil, which releases more carbon emissions than burning fossil fuels. But this phenomenal growth of palm oil industry spells disaster for local communities. Biodiversity and climate change as palm plantations encroach further and further into forested areas where the emission of greenhouse gases is largely due to deforestation. For example, much of the current and predicted oil palm expansion is taking place on forested peatlands. Peat locks up huge amounts of carbon, so clearing peatlands by draining and burning release huge greenhouse gases. The Round Table on Sustainable Pea Palm Oil had established clear ethical and ecological standards for producing palm oil. But since then, forest destruction has continued unabated. तो ये हमारा पैसेज था और इसको आपके लिए पढ़ा गया है। अब इसमें हम डिस्कस करते हैं इसके आने वाले क्वेश्चंस की। सो हियर इज योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द पैसेज इज अबाउट द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ब्लैंक्स ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट्स एंड योर ऑप्शंस आर ए, destruction of peatlands, B, palm oil industries, C, drilling for diesel fuels, D, loss of communities. And your answer is B, palm oil industries. The passage about the impact of palm oil industries you can see in line 9 to 13 on the environment. Hence option B is your correct answer. And the next question is, peatlands are natural. Your options are means to suppress carbon emissions, causes of destruction environmental, sources of biofuels when burnt, sources of diesel. And the answer is means to suppress carbon emissions. A. It is clear from line 10 that peatlands are natural means to suppress carbon emissions. Hence, option A is correct. And the next question is the phrase in the passage which means speedy remedy is A. Phenomenal growth, quick fix, C. Current and predicted, and D. Draining and burning. So match your answer with the answer given here. The correct answer is B. Quick fix. The phrase quick fix, which is in line 4, means speedy remedy. So option B is correct. And the next is the synonym of the word irony is, and your options are A. Respect, B. Reality, C. Praise, D. Paradox. And the answer is D. Paradox. Synonym of irony is paradox. Hence option D is correct. Now the next question is the RSPO was convened to control destructive practices in oil production, control the burning of peatlands, rehabilitate local communities, force the closure of palm oil industries. And your answer is control destructive practices in palm oil production. A. RSPO was convened to control destructive practices in palm oil productions. Hence option A is correct. तो ये हमारा पेसेज था. थैंक यू. एक और क्वेश्चन इसमें है. The passage suggests that RSPO's efforts to carry out its responsibility has been mostly successful, mostly failure, no information in the passage, partly successful. And the answer is mostly a failure. According to the passage, line 23, RSPO's efforts have mostly failed and deforestation had continued unabated. Hence option B is correct. तो ये हमारे कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे. थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम and I hope you're continuously watching the channel Knowledge Diary, and happy learning. Till our next video, have a nice time. Thank you.